In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add queries to your workflow for efficient data scraping. This method is particularly useful for those of you looking to gather specific business information from the web quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a digital marketer, a data enthusiast, or simply someone looking to streamline their data collection process, this video will walk you through each step of the process. Let's begin with opening your workflow system. You should already have your setup ready, so navigate to the first node labeled Run Workflow. Here, you'll need to input a list of queries. These queries are essential because they'll guide the data scraping process by focusing on the business keywords you're interested in, along with the target region. This essentially means you are refining your search, which in turn ensures the data you gather is directly relevant to your specific needs. For example, if you're looking for coffee shops in New York, make sure your query list includes appropriate keywords related to the coffee industry and the specific locale of New York. Once you've set up your queries, the next crucial step is to configure the Google Sheets node. This is where your data, such as business email addresses, will be saved for easy access and future reference. Open the Google Sheets node within your workflow. It's important to select the correct document and the specific sheet where you want the results to be stored. By doing this, you ensure that all the gathered data is automatically and neatly organized in one place. This step is particularly helpful for maintaining an orderly record of your findings, making it easier to analyze and use the data effectively later on for your business needs. With your queries inputted and Google Sheets set up to capture the output, you are ready for the next exciting part, running the workflow. Simply click on Test Workflow to get things started. As you watch the process unfold, keep an eye on your Google Sheets document. You should see it gradually populate with email addresses of businesses that match the criteria set in your queries. This real-time update can be quite satisfying, as you can witness the fruit of your preparation and setup almost immediately. Remember, the key to successful data scraping is precision and attention to detail when it comes to setting your queries and ensuring your data output is well organized. This will not only save you time, but will also provide you with a clean and valuable data set that can drive informed business decisions. So there you have it, a simple yet effective method to enhance your workflow through targeted data scraping. Happy scraping, and I hope this video helps you in your data journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next session.